I'm about to be fly this winter. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl TeiJae. I'm super excited because we doing another haul. So y'all know I get hyped when it comes down to these hauls because like I say, I like to shop, you like to shop. It is what it is. Let's get it. Let's go. I purchased majority of these items during the Black Friday sale and also the Cyber Monday sale. And then I'm just going to go ahead and throw in a few purchases that I made before Black Friday and so forth and so on. So it's going to be overall collective haul. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys are new, hey, what's up? It's your girl T. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. Don't forget to thumbs up. If you guys are returning subscribers, y'all already know what it is. I love you guys and thank you for your continued support. So my first purchase, of course, is from Amazon, y'all. When I seen Amazon had this on there, I was like, what? Actually, let me not lie. I was on TikTok. And I seen a girl with the tote bag. There she is. She came not in 2 days. It was like more so 3. But anyway, y'all, she is here. Oh my god. Oh. So this is pretty much how the bag comes. I don't like how it's bent though. That's the only thing I may have an issue with because it's like bent. So here's my laptop. I'm just gonna drop it in, and as you guys can see, it fits. It's in there. It fits. It also comes with a strap, which I'm excited. If I would like to wear it as like a crossbody bag, I will be able to do that because it comes with a freaking strap, okay? So I can attach it or detach it and just wear it like a purse. So y'all see this bag everywhere, don't say nothing, y'all. Don't say nothing. So my next purchase, of course, is from Dillards. I got some Uggs, and I'm a boot girl. I love boots. I love flats. I love combat boots. I love stuff like that. So that was, this is one of the shoes I got, and we're gonna show y'all. It's just a simple pair of black Uggs. I don't like the tall one, so I just went ahead and just got the, I think this is the, what is it, mid-length, ankle length, whatever you want to call it. That's what I got. I was super excited with these. You could just pretty much wear them with anything, and that's what I love because I just love a shoe that I can just throw on, that I can just go right out of the door. I know this probably ain't nothing, you know, fantastic for you guys because I'm sure you guys had Uggs, but this is actually my first pair of Uggs. Well, Ugg boots. Let me say Ugg boots. So this next purchase, I was heavily influenced by 𝚘𝚗𝚘𝚗. If you guys haven't watched her on YouTube, I don't know why you living on a rock, but I love her videos. But anyway, I was watching one of her, I don't know if it was just a regular video, but I know she had showed a pair of shoes, may have been a collective haul as well, and I was like, okay, I like those boots. Now the color boots that she had was pink, but I went ahead and got them in black, and these are basically just a black pair of Ugg rain boots. It's actually raining outside. Should I wear these today? Oh my gosh, I should put on my boots. I know rain boots, you don't really have to wear them for rain boots, but yo, I don't know. I'm just obsessed with this material. I'm obsessed. When I seen her pink ones, I don't like pink, but I seen the black ones, I was like, girl, baby girl, I gotta have these. This is the classic mini side logo one. Now this one actually was different from the black pair. I'm mad because I actually like these 10 times more than I just like the regular black boot, even though the logo is just on one side. So this side looks exactly like the black pair, but I'm obsessed with this. I love this little design here. I feel like it just gives the shoe some type of oomph. I don't know why my lighting playing with me. So yeah, I got these. I haven't worn them yet. That's why I'm touching the bottom. I know some people be touching the bottom. They be walking all over the place, but that's not me, girl. But this is what is given, and they super cute. So I really can't wait to put these on. So my next purchase of shoes were a pair of Vans. So I actually wore these shoes about 2 times already, but this was a purchase I got back in August along with another pair. Those came from Journeys, okay? Alright, so these are what they look like. I'm obsessed with Vans. I don't care what nobody say. They are cute, okay? They are edgy, a cute pair of sneakers that you can just pretty much throw on with anything. I love this whole skater vibe that it's giving me, but she says she a skater girl. So next pair I do have is another pair of Uggs. Y'all probably say, you went ugly crazy this year. And I did. period. So I was supposed to wear these during the summer, but time was flying, okay? Time flew so fast I didn't get to wear them. But I got a pair of black UGG slides. Now you really guys can't see them. It's just like fur. It has a little strap. I stick my foot in them before when I tried them on, and they were very, very comfy. So I look forward to wearing these. Like I said, they're super cute. I want to get different colors in them as well. Next, we're moving on to our pretty little thing. So this was the bag originally. I was just gonna throw my laptop in and call it a day, but this is still a cute little handbag. This says just pretty little thing. Has a little 2 handles on it. So this is a bag that I'm gonna be using as well, and you know, you can use it for whatever you want. I went ahead and purchased a small, this is a white chunky pearl choker, one size fit all. Hopefully this can go around my neck because your girl neck a little big. I just been obsessed with the pearl vibe lately. So I did go ahead and pick up a t-shirt. This is just a basic racer tee. I love t-shirts like this, y'all. I love t-shirts like this. Like, I love for my shirts to be a little big. I think this is a size medium, but it's a UK size, so I don't know if their mediums are small. And it looks like it would be a little tight on me. Just looking at it, like I said, I love my shirts to be a little bit oversized. I seen this jacket and I was obsessed. This is a bomber jacket, and you know, this looks a little big too, but it's just a basic bomber jacket that says Los Angeles. Nothing major, just a simple bomber. Super cute, had to have it. This coat is cute. I don't care what nobody said, this coat is cute. So on the hood it says Pretty Little Thing, and the inside, of course, you can see their, you know, logo or the PLT portion. This hat, the hood on here is detachable, so I can take that off if I don't want to wear it. It's just a basic black coat with the hood. That's just pretty much what stood out to me, because it's nothing really in particular to the coat, but I was just obsessed with the hood. Now the sleeves do come with the, you know, extension. Look, if you pull this out, you'll see more initials, so I love that they come with the little sleeves. But look at the inside. It says PLT as well. Period. Like, when it's cold outside, I got the month of May, and the sleeves fit perfectly. This was a great size, because normally I be hit or miss. But I'm so happy it fits. I'm about to be fly this winter. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. Ain't nobody can tell me nothing. So yeah, if y'all hear noise in the back, it's just my air fryer. Y'all know how when you about to go out and eat, but you get hungry before you eat, so you gotta eat something? That's me. So this shirt is in the size medium. This is a UK medium, and it's just the shirt that is labeled Chicago, and it's just so cute. I mean, the last place that I have purchased from was Skims. That was a place I always wanted to purchase from, because every time I tried to get something, it was sold out. Even though when I looked on there, you know, pretty much most of the stuff I wanted was sold out, so I just grabbed what I could. So this is the Sleep Henley dress. This is in the color cocoa, and this is in the size large. Really very stretchy material. I love this color because it's like a true chocolate. Look at the stretch on it, y'all. That is crazy. Y'all see that stretch? This got stretch. So this is just the dress. I cannot wait to wear it. This next one is the Tank Heather Gray. This is in the size large, and this is just a simple, wait, this don't say tank. Why does it say tank on there? But it has a lot of stretch to it, so hopefully it's not baggy. But look at the band. You know, the band is nice and sturdy and thick. This is cute. I love how it feels. It feels so good. It really feels like of a good quality. I really be getting like stuff like this from Walmart, and it be feeling cheapy. I'm not trying to compare Walmart stuff to this, because I know this is definitely on a different line, but it feels like it's good quality. Okay, so this next one, I know I got a robe. I'm sorry, y'all, if my energy is going down because I'm hungry. I am hungry. So this one's a sleep robe. This is in the color cocoa as well. I wanted the black one. Did I get a black one? I really wanted the black one. So this is a robe. Okay. This is what it's giving, and I love it because it's like it's like a thin material. It's not too hot, so you could wear it definitely for spring and summer. And then when it comes out of winter, you still can wear it as well, because you know if you got your heat on your house, it's gonna be a little hot. This one is the long sleeve Henley dark chocolate. Wait, I got this in the size large as well. Definitely give t-shirt vibes. Well, it is actually a whole t-shirt. So like I said, I was getting pieces to wear around the house, something cozy. The cotton rib thermal legging. I know I got some leggings, and they pretty much resemble those shorts, but they just go all the way down, and they're in the color black. Again, the material, I cannot wait to put these on, y'all, because it feels so good. Okay, so rib boxer. This is in the color onyx. Again, I got the size large, so got a pair of these. This is another rib tank. This is in the color heather gray, and this should be the tank that goes with the shorts I showed you guys earlier. Now I was confused because that bag said tank. I was like, why is the bag saying tank? So maybe it was supposed to say short. So this actually goes with the gray shorts that I showed you guys in the beginning. We do have the rib tank onyx, and this is in the color large as well, and this should be the tank that goes with those black shorts that I just showed you guys. So just a tank top, but I'm telling y'all, this material is different. It don't feel like your regular, your average beater. That material, this feels hecka good. Stretch, impeccable. So I know I'm gonna be able to fit in this. So that is it. That is all. So yeah, until my next one, you go. See you later. Bye guys.